Hook, have you ever found yourself scrolling through Netflix, feeling like there's nothing new to watch? Or maybe you're tired of the same old Hollywood blockbusters. Well, there's a streaming service that's been flying under the radar, offering a treasure trove of British and international television shows that might just become your new obsession. It's called Acorn TV, and in this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to set up your very own Acorn account. Context: so, why Acorn TV? Well, for starters, it's a haven for British drama fans. Think Downton Abbey, Call the Midwife, and Inspector Morse. But it doesn't stop there. Acorn TV also features a wide range of international content, from Australian crime dramas to Irish comedies. It's like having a passport to a world of storytelling without ever leaving your couch. Step-by-step guide. Visit the Acorn TV website. The first step is to head over to the Acorn TV website. You can find it by searching for Acorn TV in your favorite web browser. Once you're there, you'll see a clean and simple interface that's easy to navigate. Create an account, look for the Join Now or Sign Up button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Choose a plan. Acorn TV offers a few different subscription plans to suit your needs. There's a monthly plan and an annual plan, and you might also find special offers or promotions from time to time. Choose the plan that works best for you and click Continue. Enter your payment information. You'll need to provide your payment information to complete the sign-up process. Acorn TV accepts major credit cards and PayPal. Confirm your account. Once you've entered your payment details, Acorn TV will send you a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account and activate your subscription. Start exploring, and that's it. You've successfully created an Acorn TV account. Now, it's time to start exploring the vast library of shows. You can browse by genre, country, or even by popular series. There's something for everyone, so get ready to discover your new favorite shows. Additional tips. Check for discounts. Keep an eye out for discounts or promotions. Acorn TV often offers special deals for new subscribers or for those who sign up for an annual plan. Download the app. If you prefer to watch on your mobile device or tablet, Acorn TV has a dedicated app that you can download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Share with friends. If you love Acorn TV, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You can even gift them a subscription as a present. Conclusion: so, there you have it. Setting up an Acorn TV account is a quick and easy process that opens up a world of incredible television shows. Whether you're a fan of British dramas, international comedies, or something in between, Acorn TV has something to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start exploring. And, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.